Jay, take one.
The ocean in Thailand.
I think it would be a great memory to see my wife.
My daughter's birth story, the first day of kindergarten, or, the first time they learned to tie their shoe.
Clip of myself when I was younger. I was having a lot of fun dancing. I'm a terrible dancer.
1960s movie, The Great Escape. It was a big movie for me in my childhood. We would watch it together as a family all the time.
In 2005, it was the Champions League final. They ended up coming back and winning. Definitely something that I would want to see again.
Any UFC event would be nice to watch in 8K.
Taylor Swift's Eras tour. She was able to make like different shapes out of it and like different like light patterns, and it was so cool. I was in the last row, but I think if I was able to see it in 8K, it would be like I was in the first row.
I could come up to the TV and I am there. I am in the scene.
Well, obviously it's grainy. I mean, video quality in 2005 obviously pales in comparison to now. It does frustrate me a little bit. Yeah, being able to see that as clear as you can, especially with 8K, would be great.
I have home movies on like old metal reel-to-reels, and the idea that we could get those and see them in fresh, bright, new, exciting quality, that would really be amazing.
Seeing it in 8K would make it feel new again. Like I would be seeing little details that I missed.
The clarity and crispness brings you into that moment deeper.
More lifelike. Like I'm actually there at the stadium watching it.
This TV that's coming out, would you buy one?
Absolutely.
Definitely, 100%.
Yeah, I think you guys should give me one.